Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learning logistic regression. Previously we have done the linear regression, so you must know what linear regression is, and to know that I will attach the video for that in the description. What logistic regression is? It is basically the supervised classification algorithm. So today, which we will be doing in this tutorial, it will be supervised classification. So what is in supervised classification? Basically, what it does is it provide label to the training data. What it does is, suppose if you provide input uh, this image to this algorithm, so it will mark this image as a animal or a cat, so that you can use this in the further algorithm. So let's get start about this logistic regression. Basically logistic regression is are of three kinds. So let me tell you that: binomial, multinomial, and ordinal. So in this algorithm we will be doing the multinomial. So what happens is, multinomial, it can work in three or more than three input, like three type of classification or more than three type of classification can be done in the same input. So let's just start with the coding stuff. I'm using sklearn for the dataset, so you can also use that. Sorry. Now we will be splitting x and y into training data and training set. Okay, so let's do this. We are importing the test training data from this library. This x and y. So we are passing these two x and y coordinates. So here we write x comma y comma. We have to also mark the test size. So let's make it test size 0.4. So it's not recommending why it's that. So and then we have to pass the random state. If this all parameters which we have to pass are default parameters. Dumb state, let's say it's 1. Okay, it's all done. Let's check it. Okay, So now we will be creating a logistic regression object. Let's say regression reg is equals to linear model dot uh, logistic regression. So we have created the object. Now we will train the object. Now we will train the model using training set. So how we do that is, let's take this object regression dot. Now we will fit the object using the training data for like x comma train data comma y comma train data. So we will be performing the testing on this train data. Now we will predict on this testing set. So how we do that is y underscore predict, let's say, equals to regression dot predict on the test data. This. Okay, all set. Now we will be comparing the actual response value like y underscore test with predicted response value. So how we do that is, let's print logistic regression model accuracy. So basically it will provide you the accuracy in the percent. Okay, so let me just write down. Okay, here it's all set, and what about matrix, sorry, matrix dot accuracy underscore score for the score y underscore, let's say test data comma y underscore predict into percent. So here we are, I guess. Okay, so fine. So we are all set with this. Let's just run this. So here is an error, says logistic regression object has not attribute f. Oh, okay, sorry. Here is fit. We have to use fit. So keep remember this, bro. It says matrix. Okay, again my mistake. It's matrix, not matrix. Yeah. Here some warning. So let's just go through that and just see the. Okay. Here is the output. Now you can see we are getting a 95.68% as the accuracy for the test data. So whatever the data you have provided according to model, so like it is label 0 1 2 3, it says it is 95% label n. So we conclude with that. Thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks.